Hi guys, now let's start painting with some 3D objects. Starting first with a cube. Before you start painting, you need to draw the cube on paper and keep ready with pencil. Make sure your drawing pencil lines are extremely light. On the top left corner, you can see an arrow pointing the cube with the alphabets written LS. Those alphabets stand for light source. So the direction of the arrow is the direction of the light source which is falling on the cube. The positioning of the light source decides the shades which we use on the object, that is where to use the lighter shades and where to use the darker shades. That is why the top flat portion of the cube is painted with radiant green in this picture, and I've used a lot of water, less color, and made it flat, lighter shade of that green by just using water. Surface I use the same green with a little more color, and now when I'm painting the third surface, I'm going to use the same green color with more shade, more color, more pigment, and less water. So basically I have not added any white or black to make it dark or light. I have just changed the amount of water and pigment in each of the surface of the cube. And there is no shading here, just plain flat color. Now we begin to paint with the shadow. For the shadow, I've used plain black color. Again, to make it look like grey, I've added more water, and wherever I want darker shades of black, I use more of the same color and less water. So first, I'm going to give a watery black shade as the base of the shadow, so that the shape is derived, and over it I'm using darker black where the cube is touching the surface as shading.